I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Flutter Mane versus Misdreavus. We'll dive into their distinct characteristics, examining their types, abilities, and base stats to highlight what makes each Pokémon unique. Flutter Mane, a powerful paradox Pokémon, boasts impressive special attack and speed. Misdreavus, on the other hand, offers strategic utility with its unique ability and evolutionary potential. Let's explore which ghostly companion best suits your team's needs. Flutter Mane stands out with its exceptional offensive presence and speed. Its ghost and fairy typing provides fantastic coverage, hitting many opponents for super effective damage. With a staggering base special attack of 135 and an equally impressive speed of 135, it often outspeeds and overwhelms foes. Its photosynthesis ability further amplifies its power, making it a formidable special attacker in sunny conditions, or with a booster energy item. Misdreavus, a pure ghost type, brings a different kind of value to a team. Its levitate ability is a significant asset, granting complete immunity to all ground-type moves and entry hazards. While its base stats are more balanced, with 85 in special attack, special defense, and speed, it offers reliable utility. Furthermore, Misdreavus can evolve into Misdreavus by using a Dusk Stone, unlocking even greater power and versatility for your battles. When deciding between these two ghostly Pokémon, consider your team's needs. If you require a swift, hard-hitting special attacker to sweep through opponents, Flutter Mane is an excellent choice with its high offensive stats and speed. However, if you need a Pokémon with crucial ground-type immunity and the potential for evolution into a strong special attacker like Misdreavus, then Misdreavus offers valuable strategic utility. Both have unique strengths to contribute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.